Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're delving into the world of modern living spaces and focusing on a unique option garden-style apartments. As urbanization expands, the demand for diverse housing options has grown, and garden-style apartments offer a refreshing take on comfortable living. Garden-style apartments are more than just a place to live, they're a lifestyle choice. Characterized by green spaces surrounding multiple smaller buildings, these apartments offer residents a unique blend of nature and urban comfort. Typically found in suburban neighborhoods or remote areas, these low-rise dwellings provide a tranquil atmosphere, away from the hustle and bustle of city life. So, what sets garden-style apartments apart? Let's explore some of their distinctive features. 1. Multiple buildings. Garden-style complexes consist of several smaller buildings, spread across a large plot of land, providing residents with a sense of community while maintaining privacy. 2. Outdoor common areas. With expansive lawns and outdoor spaces, residents can enjoy outdoor events and leisure activities, and even accommodate their furry friends. 3. Privacy. Unlike high-rise buildings, garden apartments offer a quieter and more secluded living environment, perfect for those seeking peace and tranquility. 4. Surface parking. Forget about parking woes. Garden-style apartments typically provide ample outdoor parking spaces, conveniently located near each resident's unit. So, what are the advantages of choosing garden-style living? 1. Access to nature. Garden-style apartments provide residents with easy access to nature, offering a serene living environment away from the hustle and bustle of the city. 2. Stair-free living. With fewer stairs to climb, garden-style apartments are ideal for individuals with mobility issues, or those seeking a more accessible living space. 3. Lower cooling costs. Being located on lower levels, garden-style apartments stay cooler during hot summer months, resulting in reduced air conditioning costs. 4. Lower rent. Compared to metropolitan areas, garden-style apartments in suburban or rural areas often come with more affordable rent prices. 5. Reduced neighbor drama. Enjoy a more private living environment with neighbors located at a fair distance, minimizing noise disturbances and other issues. 6. Pet-friendly living. Abundant outdoor space makes garden-style apartments perfect for pet owners, providing easy access to outdoor areas for pets to roam and play. 7. Easy access to parking. On-site outdoor parking near apartment units ensures convenience for residents without the hassle of searching for parking spots. Despite their many advantages, garden-style apartments also come with their own set of challenges. 1. Limited natural light. Surrounding trees and foliage may result in less natural light, potentially impacting the ambiance of the living space. 2. Humidity. Garden-style apartments can be more humid, attracting pests and requiring additional pest control measures. 3. Reduced privacy. Ground-level apartments may offer less privacy due to proximity to outdoor spaces and neighboring units, although strategic measures can help mitigate this concern. 4. Higher heating costs. While cooler in summer, garden-style apartments may require additional heating during colder months, leading to increased energy bills. Garden-style apartments offer a harmonious blend of modern living and natural beauty, providing residents with a unique and refreshing living experience. Whether you value tranquility, community, or convenience, these apartments have something to offer for everyone. Thanks for joining us on this journey through garden-style apartments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.